Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daydread. Masicka promotes positivity with chance. Dancehall chart topper Masicka is using his music to promote positive messages with the release of his newest single, Chance. The song, produced by Genocide One Side Records, sees the King in the Earth DJ making reference to the struggle of inner city youths, noting that the right opportunity would influence them to rise above being a product of their environment. The visuals for Chance, since its release over the weekend, has accumulated over 300,000 views on YouTube. The release of Chance is on the heels of Masicka's equally motivating track Better Days, produced by Sweet Music Production, which was released on May 1.
All we need is just a chance to show them what we can do.
Now to news overseas, where the All-In Challenge offers once-in-a-lifetime prizes. The All-In Challenge is seeing celebrities donate their prized possessions in an online auction or offer once-in-a-lifetime opportunities in an enter-to-win sweepstakes in an effort to raise money to combat food insecurity caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Prizes include Meat Mill's Rolls-Royce Phantom, a studio session and dinner with Ariana Grande, to an Air Drake flight to Los Angeles for a weekend with Drake, including dinner with his OVO team. Created by Philadelphia 76ers co-owner Michael Rubin last month, the All-In Challenge will donate 100% of the funds to Meals on Wheels, No Kid Hungry, Feeding America, and World Central Kitchen. To date, the All-In Challenge has raised over $30 million. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daydread.